In the past, I spent roughly 8 hours or more on just editing a single video, and still the video flops after uploading. Then I ask myself, what is the essence? Long time edited video do flop after being uploaded, and short time edited video also flop after being uploaded. Then which one should I stick to? Hey friends, my name remains Philip, and if you love what I do, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. If you've already done that, let's rock and roll. Video editing is a time killer when it comes to content creation, and I don't have that luxury of time anymore. My schedule is kind of tight right now. Schoolwork, personal businesses, both online and offline, are taking my time right now. So I don't have that luxury of time to sit down and begin to spend hours editing a single video. I've come to learn that editing only adds you to do to your video. If you don't know how to edit that very much, you should go ahead and do the little you can. And that doesn't really mean your video won't go viral because you do not edit that video like this one.
There was a time when the financial world marveled at the genius of Charles Ponzi, the man who was in charge of one of the most successful business investments in America.
A slight editing can also make your video go viral. What you just need to do is to put more energy, just like the way I'm doing it now. Let people feel the vibe. Let people hear your voice while you are talking. If you can do that, it's enough for your video to go viral. It's enough for people to have interest to watch more of your video. So if you don't know how to edit video, it's very good you learn it. And if you don't have time to learn the professional way of editing video, do the little you can and don't kill yourself about it. There is no way I can tell you right now which one is better, a well-edited video and a minor edited video. I can't really stand to tell you which one is better, but so far I've been on YouTube. I've watched video that was carefully edited, which really did well, and I also watched video that people do not spend time to edit, and they also did well. So do the one you can. If you have the luxury of time to edit your video professionally, go ahead and do it. And if you do not have the time to edit your video, do the slight editing you can and upload your video. But most importantly, make the video idea be interesting. That will kill people to view more of the video. Video editing is one of the most paying skills these days, and a lot of people are paying to learn it, and a lot of people who have learned it are benefiting from it. So if you want to learn more about video editing, you can go ahead and learn it. It can also benefit you as individual trying to become a content creator, or benefit you as being an employee. People pay you a lot to edit for them. If you ask me which of the editing software is best for editing videos, I would tell you is Adobe Premiere Pro. In the past, I was using Adobe Premiere Pro, but after then I switched to CapCut because CapCut is more easier. It's just a drag and drop app. So if you want to start as a beginner, you want to learn how to edit your video slightly, or you want to become a professional while doing it, you can also use CapCut. CapCut is very good. It has everything that will make your video come to life. It has all the functionalities, all the tools to make your video more interesting for people to view. So if your sister have the requirements or specification to use Adobe Premiere Pro and you can afford it for yourself, I would recommend you can also use that, because that is more professional. For long now, I've been using CapCut and I've been enjoying using it. I have it on my phone and I also have it on my PC. Most of my videos here on YouTube were edited with CapCut on my PC. So you can either use any of them. If you don't have access to personal PC, you can use your phone. Use the CapCut for phone to edit your video. It doesn't really matter where you are editing your video from. If you post it, you are still going to get same audience to view your video. So stop ranking your head about how well you can edit your video. Do the little you can and just leave the rest for the YouTube algorithm to do for you. You are a good content creator. You are a good video editor. Stop underrating yourself. The only thing that is holding your video back from not reaching a lot of people is the YouTube upgrade it. Do not stop. Keep creating and keep editing. And I know one day it will be your turn. I'm still growing as a YouTube creator and I'm not going to give up. You just need to get same motivation and one day we'll all be there. Hey friends, we've come to the end of this video. There are a lot of things you need to put together or you need to know and understand before your video can reach a wide range of people. If you check the video up here, it will help you to know how you can be able to do your YouTube settings correctly so that you won't ask yourself anymore, what setting have I not done correctly? So you just go ahead and watch this video and it will really help you to configure your YouTube settings very well. Alright, my name remains Philip, and if you love this video and you got any value from it, please do not forget to click the subscribe button so that I will be encouraged to do more of this. Alright, stay good and stay cool till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.